subject is grammar. Chapter 10 Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Adjectives remain the same for singular and plural nouns or pronouns. Like for example, Neil lost his favorite shirt. He lost his favorite friends too. An adjective may come before a noun and pronoun or later in a sentence. For example, I have red trousers. The trousers are long for me. Adjective of quantity. It is used to indicate the quantity of a noun or pronoun. An adjective of quantity answers the question how much. For example, there is much sugar in the juice. How much sugar is there in the juice? This is a much. This is a quantity. I have enough money in my pocket. How much money do I have in my pocket? Enough. That is, we will tell enough. Adjective of number. It shows the number of nouns, that is countable. It is used to indicate the exact cardinal number 1, 2, 3, infinity. Ordinal number first, second, third. It is indicative number. Many, several, few of a nouns or pronouns. It is answers the questions how many. For example, there are 30 students in the class. How many students are there in the class? I have been Mumbai several times. How many times have I been to Mumbai? Cardinal numbers are ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are expressed as 1, 2, 3, the infinity. These are used to indicate numbers. And ordinal numbers. On other hand, we express first, second, third, etc. These are used to indicate rank or order. See, it is here. It is cardinal numbers and it is ordinal numbers. 1 first, 3 third, 2 second, like this. And it is interrogative adjectives. It is used to ask questions related to a noun or pronoun. For example, whose toy is lost? Toy is a noun. Which pen is yours? Pen. It is a noun. Demonstrative adjective. It is used to demonstrative or point of the which nouns. It is mean a demonstrative adjective answers of the question. For example, these apples are rotten. Such people success in life. That pen is precious. This house is very big. Those paintings are beautiful. Degrees of adjectives. Adjectives have degrees. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree means degrees a singular noun is a simple statement. Kishan is a good boy. This is positive. Comparative means use the word than, add er or this either or more or less with the adjectives. Kishan is better than Ratan. This is comparative. It is in than and better er. It will comes. And superlative degree. It use the word the, add est. Use either most or least with adjectives. Kishan is the best boy of all. It is superlative degree. One syllable adjectives. Small adjectives have comparatives and superlatives ending er and est. For example, hard, harder, hardest, rich, richer, richest. For small adjectives ending e and r, est. For example, nice, nicer, nicest, pale, paler, palest. For small adjectives with the consonant, vowel, consonant and the double in the final consonant in the comparative and superlative degrees. For example, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest. Two syllable adjectives. For two syllable adjectives ending y, changes y to ier and iest in the comparative superlative degrees. For example, easy, easier and easiest, lazy, lazier and laziest. More than two syllable adjectives. For more two syllable adjectives are all adjectives are more than two syllable. Make a comparative degree with more and superlative degree with the most. For example, careful, more careful and most careful. And we have to move exercise. Raju went for a walk on a rainy day. Kadim could not study because of the music was too loud. The dark cave is very dangerous place. The tree near my house is dry. Kushi is happy because she was won the race. Fill in the blanks with the adjectives from the brackets. You helped me to complete my school project. You are so helpful. It's not so, Sonia. Clever for writing the test in just 20 minutes. The kitten is very soft. The peaches are so hard that I can't eat them. Tea is hot, but ice cream is cold. I am also grateful to you for lending me your pen. An elephant at the circus was huge. And pick out the adjectives from the sentence. Write whether you are adjective of quantity or adjective of number. The first prize won by Meenakshi. There were millions of dinosaurs on the earth. Millions. He has bought some bread. There are some problems in the issue. Jeet bought 4 mangoes from the market. Few women can keep a secret. Rupali has a lot of money. There are little hope of brothers and recovery. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Some students have still not bought their textbooks. Which flowers would you like? These grapes are sour. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. There is a little pepper in the soup. The injured person seeks useful advice. Several students take active interest in quiz competition. I stood first in class and unit test. And see here, this is positive, comparative and superlative. Bold, bolder, boldest. Rich, richer, richest. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Noisy, noisier, noisiest. Red, redder, reddest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Colorful, more colorful and most colorful. Pretty, prettier and prettiest. Useful, more useful and most useful. Fill in the correct degree of comparison box. June is the hottest month of the year. The river Ganga is longer than the river Yamuna. Tortoise is slow animal. You should be careful when you walk in the road. Vatican City is the smallest state in the world. The poem is harder than that one. The temple is large and building. The cheetah is large. The cheetah is fastest animal in the earth. Rose is beautiful flower. Find a lotus more beautiful than the rose. Diamond is hardest than any other substance in the world. Fill in the blanks with correct adjectives in the brackets. Uti is colder than Chennai. He is taller than 2. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Titanium is lighter than gold. The pen is mightier than sword. Prevention is better than cure. He is the worst boy in the class. The tallest building is found in America. Greenland is the largest island. Monica is the cleverest pupil in the class. Honor is dearest to him in their life. Amar is the wiser boy. Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. Shakespeare is greater than any other English dramatist.